On this International Women's Day, Dr. Anjali Agrawal, the founder of civil society organization Samarthyam Center for Universal Accessibility, took over Prime Minister Narendra Modi's social media handles on Women's Day, calling for a stronger push towards a more accessible and inclusive India under the Sugamya Bharat initiative. Thank you so much, Dr. Anjali, for joining me on this broadcast. Tell us, what was your first reaction when you heard the news that you will get the opportunity to operate PM Modi's social media accounts?
I'm really honored, and it's the biggest opportunity that I can have to handle the social media accounts of the Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. And this is also a call for transformative action, that women can do so much more, and to reach out to all the women, the grassroots women, and also the women in the urban India, to make it possible that the women in India are not only empowered, educated, but also are part of the social, cultural, and political activities of the country.
Absolutely. Dr. Agrawal, tell us a little bit about your personal journey as well. How did you break the barriers to advocate for universal accessibility?
It was a very challenging journey, because I have got muscular dystrophy and I've been using wheelchair for the last 25 years. And I wanted to make my India accessible, Sugamya Bharat. And this is a vision which I am carrying forward for the last 33 years. It was not easy, as I said, because most of the buildings, the transportation system, the roads, and even the transport ecosystem, the vehicles are not accessible. So starting from scratch to develop codes, guidelines, and standards for the country, to have the national document to be ready for use by engineers, architects, planners, was one part of the game, and another was the implementation, to bridge the policy gap from paper to implementation. Let it happen in India so that we can know that each building, each vehicle, and roads and public pedestrian spaces, gardens, parks, cinema hall, there's a list, endless list. Everything needs to be accessible, and it really not only empowers you but gives you the choice to select, to be part of the society, and also to become a taxpayer.
Absolutely. Dr. Anjali, if I may ask, which particular social media account were you handling of the Prime Minister?
I've handled the Twitter handle, and as well as I'm also looking at the Facebook and Insta.
How did you feel it when you had the most powerful Twitter handle in the country?
I'm overwhelmed with messages and appreciations and a lot of applause. But I think this is one responsibility which I have carried today, to reach out to the world, not only India, saying that this is Nari Shakti, this is a women power, and anything is possible if you give us the responsibility and believe in us. So I think the Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, has believed me, and I'm trying to do my little bit to make India accessible and empower also.
Such a wonderful message that you are spreading. Tell us one big message that you would like to send out today on International Women's Day, especially to Indian women who are watching you.
So to all the Indian women, I would like to say, give up on giving up, because there's nothing impossible in our life. We can do once we think we can, we will do it. So we need to be empowered, educated, not only secondary and higher education, but technical and tertiary education. And moving forward, we need to be equal and provide equity to everyone.
Such a lovely message. Thank you so much, Dr. Anjali, for joining us here on NDTV.